Are you excited? No! Today in this video, we're gonna do another unboxing! Yay! Right now we say yay. Yay! There you go. And this is because I spent a lot of money on Usborne books. I think it was like around $500.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep.
Exactly. I have never actually bought anything from Usborne Books, and that's because I haven't known anyone who sells Usborne Books. So this is an example of someone who's had a lot of build-up desire to buy, and I just bought. And it's because I found Abby over at Rooted in Rest. If you don't know who she is, I'm of course linking, you know who she is. If you do homeschool, YouTube and looking at stuff, you know who Abby is. Anyway, I bought from her, and I am glad that she took me in as an Usborne customer. And I hope it blesses her. It definitely is going to bless us. So in this video, I'm gonna do our unboxing and we're gonna do a little bit of flip throughs on these books. All right, let me show you what it looks like. Naomi, don't touch, don't touch. All right, the inside of the box. Okay, we'll start with this one, the alphabet card. This is an Usborne wiping clean, which is supposed to be really amazing. I'll open these up and show you what they look like. And then there's some game ideas to play, but alphabet cards, apple.
And you write apple.
Right, and on the back.
You write apple and then A for apple.
So one has a picture, one doesn't.
And then bird. One has a picture. On the other side, no picture.
Okay, so because we're still potty training, this is gonna become a bathroom book. What is poop? And it's a lift and flap.
Oh, let's see what she's gonna do.
Even princesses use the bathroom. So this is muddle and match. I saw these matching books and I thought this would be fun just to make up stories and use their imagination. And it's pretty sturdy, which I like so far. It's a board book.
Some mermaid.
And see, both girls, well, you can mix and match. Like you do the superhero head and the body with some like, it looks like a scientist pants.
Let's change this.
Ooh, Naomi's found something. Okay, Naomi, what do you want to share? What do you want to share? Stop? Oh.
What is it? Can you open it up?
Okay, all right, let's talk about it. This is water, baby's very first slide and seed. See, underwater. And see, for her, this is really good for her fine motor skills. Look. Whee! This is a little peek-through book. This is one of many, but I thought this was the cutest. Try it out, see if I like it, if I want more. Are you there, little fox? And I like this because they can trace with their finger, which is definitely pre-writing skills right there. And of course, the tactile. You want to open that one? Do you want to open it? Oh my gosh, I loved these. These were the peek inside books, so I went ahead and I got the bundle, but I also got some ones that are not in the bundle. Yeah, they saw that already. So this one had nighttime, peek inside, and basically it's got the flaps. So we're gonna have to really, we might hold these to the side a little bit, or this might be one that mommy reads to you. And we use all our little fine motor skills. Try not to rip anything. That's gonna be hard. So this one might get put up for a little bit. Even though I love this idea of using gentle movements, fine motor skills to turn, it's not like a big, okay? It's gentle. You have to be gentle with these books. We got At the Zoo, Animal Homes, Dinosaurs, Farm. Here's the garden.
No.
You want to show them the farm again?
No.
Go ahead. This is also a peek inside, but it's a fairy tale. They had several fairy tale ones, but I felt like this was my favorite out of all of them. And this is cool because you can see this right through. This one, yeah, this one does have a flap.
Hi.
Now I went ahead and got her a bunch of these little coloring zoo animals. For me, at least, it's very hard to find coloring books that she can color. And these, we also got those too. But let me talk about these. When I talk about you, why don't you show off this one? No, ma'am. Do you want to see what's inside? You're gonna color. Let's open. Simple pictures to color. Plus they're already partially colored to kind of give them that idea of, hey, you need to add color here. Regular animals, things that go. You like beep beeps, right? Is this a beep beep?
Beep beep.
Beep beep.
Beep.
Beep beep.
Beep.
Under the sea. Garden. Springtime. And bugs. We also got these wipe clean. She can use it many, many times over. Shapes and patterns. That's just some samples. Then we got some stickers because stickers are so good for her fine motor skills. Just remember that sometimes when you have a child with a learning disability, whether it's Down syndrome or autism or dyslexia, you'll find that they hang out in certain areas for a longer period of time. So when your child takes, for example, 2 weeks, 3 weeks to potty train, for us, it's taking like a year, 2 years. When it takes your child, you know, a couple tries to learn how to write their letters, for us, we're hanging out in that area for a couple months, years. Depends on the child, everyone's different. So as many of these as I can get for her to work on those fine motor skills, the better we are. So here's some sticker books, always a fan of stickers. I wanted to try them out. You're dying, oh, that's a sticker book too, good job, that's just bigger. You want this is just a lot of stickers, look at that. And then you put the stickers on this little scene. It's like a ton of stickers. Do you want to open that up? This is Seasons. Seasons. This one's bigger. The birds. But then back here, you've got all the different, they tell you what page to put them on. So we got a four total. Oh no, we got 5. We got 5 total. We got 5. We got 5. This is narwhals. Okay, what do you want to show them? They can't see it. You gotta bring it down. Bring it down. They gotta see it. It's a zoo magic paint book, meaning you paint over it and the colors appear. You know, you're getting a lot of feedback here. So you're doing something very small, but you got a lot of stimulation, so they're gonna wanna do it more, which builds their skills faster and stronger, makes them work on it for a longer period of time. Okay, the barcode, there's the barcode. Yeah, let her do it. So that's the barcode. And that's the book. So let me show you the inside of this. I'm guessing there's about 18 pictures in here that you can color. So Secrets of the Rainforest, it's a shine the light. You see things when you shine the light. Secrets of the Vegetable Garden, and this is also a shine a light book. So you see hidden things when you shine the light. I don't think this is gonna capture on film. These are good bedtime stories. Now I got some cards with famous paintings, and that's because with Charlotte Mason you do a lot of picture studies. That's one thing that is popular in a lot of those curriculums, and so I'm sick of using the internet as my ultimate resource. I wanted something I can hold on to, so we've got all of these, and on the back they talk about the artist. It says this way up right there. It's nice. They're giving us some direction. I would have never figured it out otherwise. Like seriously. Frida! Say Frida. Frida! Frida! That's my friend's favorite artist, my roommate back in the day before I got married. Frida! Okay. We have another coloring book. A little bit different. I like this actually a lot. Just the more visually pleasing it is for her, the more inspired she is to color it. And that's what we want. We want self-motivated. I also got this because I felt like this was just super important for all of us. It's a lift and flap answering questions. Is it easy to be kind? Not always. Good little pointers. I think the entire family is going to benefit from this book. Aesop's Fables with new illustrations. We are actually doing a curriculum right now that requires Hannah to go through and learn some of the fables. So I'm hoping that some of them will be in here for her. Right, Hannah? Oh, this is the tortoise and the hare. There's only 6 of them in this book, but they're the good ones. The hare and the tortoise, the lion and the mouse, the fox and the crow, the ant and the grasshopper, the fox and the stork, and the town mouse and country mouse. I have some other lift the flap. I got opposites. So we have the opposite of bottom is top. So we'll go through this. At the park, lots of opposites. Short, long. How do flowers grow? I think all the kids are going to benefit from this one. Can you follow the bee's trail? Oh, look, tracing. I love the tracing ones. Pre-writing. I love this. She's got a lot of options now. And we did lift the flap colors. Color Train, The Magic Forest, Hungry Penguins. Did I share? We also got the seasons, different seasons. It goes this way. Spring in the Country. We're gonna have to keep a lot of these very safe because I have a feeling she's gonna not know which way to pull the flap. And we'll probably just do this in Mom's Around. Now we also got this colorful world book. There's a bunch of these colorful world books. I wanted to try them out because I didn't know how they were gonna work. So this is the forest one. So which tree has different leaves? Find the fox whose ears are not the same. Are they wild boars? So this is almost like which one of these things is not like the other. So we're gonna try this. I think this is actually gonna work really well with her. We also got comparisons, big and small. Now I think this one's gonna be more for the whole family. I mean, she's definitely gonna use all of these books too. Big, tall, long, all the different animals. Growing up. Oh, that's interesting. It shows you how small a human egg is compared to a grain of sand. So yeah, this is something that I think everyone's gonna be reading. Ready, set, go. I also got a picture book of general information, general knowledge. Of course, this is one that everybody is going to be using in the family. Ballerina sticker books. I forgot these too. We got a lot of sticker books. Stickers are good. Ballerina sticker book. Ballerina sticker book. Because she's a little ballerina. Same idea. And then you find them and you put them on the page that they're telling you to put them on. And now this one too. This one's for older kids, so we'll either let Hannah play with this or wait till she's a little older. But as you can see, the costumes are a little bit more elaborate. And it's actually from the ballets, like the Firebird and Copella and the Nutcracker. Forgotten fairy tales of kindness and courage. I thought this one would just be really good. And see, they're even, okay, I'm gonna show you, hold on. So in this book, they even have a boy in a wheelchair. I don't know the story, but you know, I'm assuming there's situations with disabilities and kindness, and I know, I thought it would be fun for the whole family just to kind of read together. So Naomi, which one do you want to read first? Do you want to read this one? Yeah. This one, you keep going back to this one. She keeps going back to this one. So all I'm going to do for you, I'm not an Usborne rep, but I will link that video that I saw that inspired me to buy these items in the description box below. Super excited about these because it's good. These are good quality books, and I love all the visual stimulation. I love all the tactile. It's good for her, especially since we get to hang out a lot in this area. What do you think? Come here. So thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have never seen our channel before, consider subscribing, coming along with us on this journey. We do day in the lives, I do tips. I'm a former public and private school teacher. I evaluate homeschoolers in the state of Florida, and my daughter Naomi is my beautiful, precious princess that is teaching me way more than I ever thought. So when you come on this journey with us, you're learning along with us, next to us, and I hope you like this video. Don't be afraid to leave me a comment in the comment boxes. I read all of them, and I try my best to respond to as many as I can. Sometimes even if it's just a thank you or that's awesome, I appreciate all of them. And I'm gonna stick some videos around my face right now. Hopefully you'll click on another one or the subscribe button or both of them and turn on the notifications so you can see when I get an upload. Until then, I will see you guys hopefully in our next video. Bye.